Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with master suite, pull-out spray faucet, mirrored wardrobe doors, walk-around queen bed, 2 entrances, pleated shades, over-the-range microwave, smoke detector, bedroom closet, dresser with TV stand, flush mount gas range cover, cable TV hookup, entertainment center, USB charging station, U-shaped dinette, living room fireplace, half bath with toilet, sink, and private entry door, rear bunkhouse, front living area, lift up queen bed, 3-burner range, half bath with toilet, vanity, sink, and storage, LED interior lighting, 2 bedrooms, big corner shower, outside kitchen refrigerator, sink, and 2-burner range, solid surface countertops and bathroom, residential refrigerator, triple slides, ducted AC, automatic levelers, electric awning with LED lights, bath and a half, living area closet, L-shaped kitchen counter, AM/FM CD DVD player, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, slide-out bunks, sleeps up to 7 people. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Cattlemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.